Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Justin Sun confirms Huobi Global is not related to FTX. FTX has been hacked, mysterious outflows totaling more than $600 million. Galawa Capital was stuck at 100 million USD on FTX. JP Morgan highlights positive aspect of current crypto crisis. GameStop refunds to users and terminates its partnership with FTX US. Now, let's dive into the details. Justin Sun confirms Huobi Global is not related to FTX. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron and a member of the advisory board of Huobi Global, has stated that Huobi, Poloniex, and USDD have no investments in FTX, as well as any funds and user assets exceeding 100% of the margin. Huobi completed the acquisition of tens of billions of US dollars of user funds in a short time due to liquidation. Just a month ago, it also completed a 100% escrow audit due to acquisitions and transfers, according to Sun. FTX has been hacked, mysterious outflows totaling more than $600 million. Late on Friday, more than $600 million in cryptocurrency vanished from the wallets of the defunct cryptocurrency corporation FTX with no obvious reason given. Soon after, FTX announced that it had been hacked in its official Telegram channel and advised users not to install any new updates and to delete all FTX apps. Various Ethereum tokens, as well as the Solana and Binance Smart Chain tokens, have left FTX's official wallets and transferred to decentralized exchanges like 1inch, according to on-chain statistics. It appears that both FTX and FTX US are impacted. Galawa Capital was stuck at 100 million USD on FTX. Galawa Capital co-founder Kevin Zhou recently announced in a letter to investors that about half of the fund's assets are still stuck again on FTX. According to Galawa's June statistics, the amount of money trapped could be as much as $100 million. The fund manager also stated that recovering a few percent of the above could take a few years. JP Morgan highlights positive aspect of current crypto crisis. The largest bank in the United States thinks that regulators may hasten cryptocurrency regulations as a result of the abrupt collapse of the FTX coin enterprise. JP Morgan claims that the creation of a thorough regulatory framework would be beneficial for institutional adoption. The bank also pointed out that decentralized protocols, not centralized sector participants, were to blame for any recent Bitcoin crashes. This might be good news for the decentralized finance DeFi industry. GameStop refunds to users and terminates its partnership with FTX US. Video game retailer GameStop GME plans to end its pilot gift card marketing partnership with FTX US after the crypto exchange filed for bankruptcy protection. Only 2 months after partnering with FTX to further implement GameStop into the crypto world, it has publicly stated that it is severing ties. GameStop announced the news on its official Twitter account for the company's NFT division. GME started carrying gift cards to the cryptocurrency exchange platform as a component of the FTX and GameStop partnership, which began in September. It will now provide refunds to those who bought them. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.